Infrared refractory inspections. Infrared thermal imaging is commonly used for the inspection of refractory used on process furnaces found in the oil and gas, chemical, and power generation industries. As refractory deteriorates, the metal exterior skin of the furnace can become severely stressed by the heat, which can result in deformation and eventually catastrophic failure. As a result, infrared refractory inspections can be used for preventive, predictive maintenance, condition assessment and monitoring of existing refractory, and quality assurance of newly installed refractory. Many problematic refractory conditions are detectable through the use of infrared thermography. These conditions include refractory degradation in the form of delamination, missing or displaced refractory, and exhaust gas leaks. Infrared refractory inspections are beneficial in many ways, including reduced downtime and costs, non-destructive and non-contact, and can be conducted with no interruption of service. Along with many other applications, infrared inspection of refractory is a topic covered in the Infraspection Institute Level 1 Certified Infrared Thermographer course. This course and the certification exam can be completed online and at your own pace via distance learning. A relevant non-certification course titled Infrared Thermography for Petrochemical Facilities is also available. To register for either of these courses, visit Insight Infrared Training at www.infraredtraining.ca.